Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's tutorial, we're going to be making an apron for my 5-year-old son. Please, I'd like you to watch to the end to see his priceless reaction when given the apron. So now let's get into business. The full length of the apron is about 28 inches, as you can see, 28 inches. Then for the width of the apron, we're taking 10 inches, just like that. 10 inches. Then after that, we'll go ahead to take the shoulder measurement. 6 inches is what we are taking there. So the next thing is to take the armhole measurement, and for that we are taking 8 inches. Now we'll go ahead to join the line and also connect the armhole curve, just like so. So the next thing we're going to do is to cut it. Go ahead and cut it out. So our apron is half ready. As you can see, the fabric is on 4 folds, and that's because I want to use one of the folds as a turning to make the work look very neat. So I had already gone ahead to cut the strips and the belt, and then for the strip and the belt, you'll see that one side is open, the other side is sewn. Same thing for each of them. So now the next thing is to place the fabric that's on the right side. So on the right side, you place the strip. Now that's the open part of the strip there, facing the upper part of the apron. Then you go ahead to do the same thing for the belt, placing the open side like so. Then we'll now go ahead to secure it in place. I had already secured it, leaving ½ inches allowance for them for the sewing. So I'll go ahead to place the second part of the apron, right side facing right side, and then sew it. Remember, we're sewing following the ½ inch allowances we left, or the ½ inch allowance that we left there. So we'll just sew it following the allowance, just like so. So now we're done sewing. This is what we have. So go ahead to turn it. Yes, and bring out the belt and the straps. That's it. That's all we have there. So this is it. Our apron is almost ready. So I have this 5-year-old son who loves to assist. He's very handy. He likes to help in the kitchen every now and then. Mommy, please, can I come and do this? Mommy, please, can I come and help you cook? Mommy, please, I want to be a chef and all. So today I decided to make this apron for him, and you'll get to see his reaction as I give him the apron. So now our apron is done. We went on to fold to hem the down part of the apron, and that's it, guys. Our apron is ready, all looking fine and neat, just like so. So that's it, guys.
My apron.
Do you like it?
Yes. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Hello, everyone. I am a chef. Thank you.
You're welcome.